Hi guys, I'm Mark and welcome back to MavTech. Thank you so much for tuning in, and you know what we're here for today. It's been a long way. The pre-orders are come and gone. Mine has come really late. What are we talking about? The iPhone 12 Pro Max. At last. I've seen people unbox these here on YouTube. I've seen the photos going up on Instagram, and I've also now seen a week with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Well, I've literally just got mine. Well, not literally, I've been patient and waiting to be able to film this video for you guys to share the experience of unboxing Apple's biggest and most expensive phone of 2020. Are you ready? Of course you are. Let's do this. So guys, before we go any further, I just want to say a massive thank you to all the new faces joining us here on MavTech. The subscriber count's been going up and I'm very thankful. And if you haven't, please consider subscribing because I've got a lot more content coming up, Apple related, tech related, and hopefully stuff you're interested in. And while you're down there, give me a thumbs up. The like really helps the channel out. Cheers guys. There it is, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and it's a beast. Comparing it to what we've already got here, the iPhone 12 in product red, you can see the size difference in the boxes. This is going to be the biggest phone Apple have ever put out at a staggering 6.7 inches. Are you excited to get this open? I'm absolutely buzzing to get this open. Like I said, I've been waiting for this for ages, so we're not going to waste any more time. You ready? Let's do this. So guys, we're going to dive straight in. A very quick look around this beautifully packaged box, and yes, as we all know, they're a lot slimmer now because yes, the power brick's missing. But the nice black box depicts what's inside. No, it's not black, it's graphite, and it's a beautiful graphite colour which is going to go seamlessly with my Apple Watch Series 6 in graphite, the perfect pairing. I've gone for the 256GB model. There are two other options. You can go for the 128GB or the double checking 512GB option if you want to go all out. For me, the 256GB easily handles everything I need it to, so I'm happy with the 256GB. Are you ready? Unboxed and dealt with. And again, this packaging is just absolutely beautiful. It's very nice, it's very sleek, and the image on the front, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, is just slightly raised off the box itself. The iPhone on the sides, in the writing, and the Apple logo on the top and the bottom depict what colour you've got inside. As which I've already said, I've gone for the graphite option. Now, you ready? Let's get this open. And there it is, the graphite colour iPhone 12 Pro Max. Finally, I've got my hands on my own one. Now this is going to be my daily driver. I like the Max models. I've always been a fan of the bigger size because I like the screen, I like the battery life, and I just like the way they feel in my hands. My hands are pretty big, so I'm fine with the bigger Max options. Let's get it out of the box. And honestly guys, this is just beautiful. It is absolutely stunning. I'm just in absolute awe. The colour on the sides of this look at the shine, and it's amazing. The graphite looks beautiful, and yes, it matches the watch perfectly as you expect from Apple. And straight away in the back here I can see the three sensors, including the LiDAR here on the back, which I'm very interested in. I've heard a lot of good things and a lot of people saying it's pointless, it doesn't do anything. We'll put it to the test, that's what this channel's about. But there we go, absolutely stunning. What do you think? I'm gonna peel this off. Listening? There we go, unboxed and fully ready to go. Let me just fire it up. I'm just seriously guys, I'm stunned. It's absolutely beautiful. Now I can put that next to what I've got here, the 11 Pro Max. And again, this is your space grey option compared to your graphite option, and what is just absolutely amazing. Hello, and hello to you too. Now give me 5 minutes to play around with this, get it all set up, transferred over to my old device, and I'll let you know a little bit more about it. Do we really want to go into what's inside the box? It's very simple, we all know, I've done it on the other ones, but let's do it again very quickly. You've got your USB-C to lightning cable, you've got your SIM ejector tool, single Apple sticker, and very small bit of paper guide for your startup. We all knew that, I thought I'd put it in there anyway. It is an unboxing video. So the iPhone 12 Pro Max is a big phone, but I'm used to that. I've come from the XS Max, from the 11 Pro Max, I've even had an 8 Plus, so I'm used to the bigger model phones. Some people are going to find this absolutely gigantic in the hand, but for me, it's fine. Like I said, I've got big hands, it's comfortable to hold, and I do like these flat edges. It's a fresh look and an almost redesign, even though it's a reused design from the original 4s and 5s and original SEs. But I really like this design compared to what we had before. The rounded edges on the 11 Pro were nice, but it was so slippy to hold. I think I said this in my other review when I was looking at the iPhone 12. The new flat edges on these devices just look amazing. They're really nice, they're comfortable to hold, and they just feel really, really good. I'm pleased that Apple have decided to go back to this design. Now what I want to do is a lot of comparisons with this, especially with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. A lot of people have said, is it worth the upgrade this year? Is it worth looking at? Should I be chopping my phone in and picking up the new one every year? Again, this is always going to be a personal choice and a personal option. I upgrade yearly. I keep a lot of the phones I use because I'm a complete Apple fanboy and an Apple sheep. Yeah, okay, whatever. But I like my Apple devices. I like seeing what they cram inside these new phones, what tech they update, and how they improve the cameras and the specs inside and outside on all these devices. So the SIM card is now firmly logged inside the new iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this is going to be my daily driver for the foreseeable future, or until there's something else that tickles my fancy, which probably won't be till next September if they sort the iPhone issues out and bring them out all at one time. We'll wait and see what happens. But for now, I'm really happy with this device. Just literally getting it out of the box, holding it in my hand, having a very quick look around this device. I could not wait to start putting this to the test. And like I said, I will be doing comparison videos with the iPhone 12 to see what the difference is, what you're getting when you spend that little bit of extra money. I'll also compare it to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. For all those people out there who are unsure whether they want to keep their device or if they want to upgrade to the newer, sleeker, fresher design. But again, that's an entirely personal opinion. So guys, like I said earlier in the video, please hit that like button as it does really help the channel out. A thumbs up is always a good sign and it makes me smile. As well, consider subscribing because I've got lots more content coming out, as I've said, about this particular model, the iPhone 12, comparison videos, and some new tech that's being released very soon. So if you're interested in anything tech related, or you just like hearing me talk, please hit the subscribe button. Once again, I'm Mark, you've been watching MavTech. I'll see you next time. Bye.